Dragon fruit, a tropical marvel. Dragon fruit, or Selanisarius ondatus, has always fascinated me with its otherworldly appearance and vibrant appeal. Growing and consuming it has given me a deeper appreciation for this unique fruit. Let me share my journey and thoughts on this tropical gem. Can dogs have dragon fruit? I've given my dog a small piece of dragon fruit before, and he seemed to enjoy the taste without any issues, but I always make sure to keep it in moderation. Can cats eat dragon fruit? I once tried giving my cat a tiny bit of dragon fruit, but she wasn't interested at all, and I decided to stick to her usual diet. Where can I buy dragon fruit? I usually find dragon fruit at my local Asian grocery store, where it's often fresher and more affordable than at general supermarkets. When is dragon fruit in season? In my experience, dragon fruit is usually at its best during the summer and early fall, making it a refreshing treat in the warmer months. Where is dragon fruit grown? I've learned that dragon fruit grows quite well in tropical and subtropical climates, so I've seen it thriving in places like Southeast Asia and parts of Central America. How to pick a good dragon fruit? When picking a dragon fruit, I look for one with bright, even skin and a slight give when pressed, which usually means it's ripe and ready to eat. Can chickens eat dragon fruit? I've offered a bit of dragon fruit to my chickens, and they pecked at it curiously, but it's definitely more of a treat than a regular part of their diet. How do I peel a dragon fruit? I find that cutting the dragon fruit in half and then scooping out the flesh with a spoon is the easiest way to peel it, avoiding the mess and hassle of trying to peel it directly. Can bearded dragons eat dragon fruit? I've tried giving my bearded dragon small pieces of dragon fruit, and he seemed to enjoy it as an occasional treat, though I'm careful not to overdo it. How much is dragon fruit? I've noticed that dragon fruit can vary widely in price, but it tends to be a bit on the expensive side, especially if you're buying it out of season. How to know if dragon fruit is bad? If a dragon fruit feels overly soft and has dark spots or an off smell, I've found it's best to avoid eating it as it's likely past its prime. Can guinea pigs eat dragon fruit? I once offered a small piece of dragon fruit to my guinea pig, and while he was curious, I don't make it a regular part of his diet due to its high sugar content. Can pregnant women eat dragon fruit? I've read that dragon fruit is safe and nutritious for pregnant women, providing vitamins and antioxidants, but I always recommend eating it in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Can you freeze dragon fruit? I've tried freezing dragon fruit for smoothies, and it works really well. Just make sure to cut it into chunks before freezing for easier use later. Is dragon fruit keto? In my experience, dragon fruit is a bit higher in carbs than I prefer for a strict keto diet, so I usually opt for lower carb fruits instead. Dragon fruit plant versus cactus. When comparing dragon fruit plant to cactus, I found that the dragon fruit's vibrant, sprawling growth and striking flowers make it a standout in my garden, while the traditional cactus offers a simpler, more classic desert look and requires less water, making it easier to care for. Dragon fruit plant versus night blooming cereus. In my experience, the dragon fruit plant's exotic, tropical appearance and its sweet, juicy fruit are a refreshing contrast to the night blooming cereus, which impresses with its stunning, fragrant blooms that light up the night but don't offer the same fruiting appeal. Conclusion: dragon fruit is more than a fruit. It's a story of beauty, perseverance, and health. Its vibrant presence in my garden is a daily reminder of nature's wonders. Whether you grow it yourself or enjoy it at your table, dragon fruit offers a slice of tropical paradise. For me, it's not just food, it's an experience worth sharing.